जय हिंद श्रीमान, गुरुकुल एकेडमी स्कूल में आपका हार्दिक स्वागत है।
On the eve of Kargil Divas, we bow our heads in gratitude and reverence for the brave souls who fought and sacrificed their lives for our nation. We pray for the families of martyrs that they may find strength and solace, knowing that their loved ones' sacrifice was not in vain. Bless and protect our soldiers who continue to guard our borders, ensuring our safety and freedom. Grant us wisdom to cherish and uphold values of justice, freedom, brotherhood. May we always remember the valor of our heroes so that we can work together to build a nation worthy of their sacrifice.
Beautiful thought. Real heroes don't have a name on the back of their jersey, on their countries. Real heroes don't have the name on the back of their jerseys, they wear their countries. It means the selflessness and patriotism of soldiers. Unlike sports stars that have the name on the back of their jerseys and are recognized and celebrated, Soldiers do their duty not for personal glory, but for the commitment to their country. Their identity and pride comes from the flag they serve, representing their commitment and love to the nation above all else.
इतिहास तप्त जयमग है, वीरता वनय सी भरी हुई रग रग है, जिसके इतने बेटे रण झेल चुके हैं, शूली गिरीश शालों से खेल चुके हैं। उस वीर जाति को बंदी कौन करेगा, विकराल आग मुट्ठी में कौन धरेगा। अब हो सिर पर आ पड़े, नहीं डरना है, जन्मे हैं तो दो बार नहीं मरना है। यह वो लोग हैं जिन्होंने अपने बाहुबल की ज्वाला पर झूठी शांति प्रियता का पानी नहीं फिरने दिया। जब दुश्मन का टैंक सरहद लांघ के अंदर आया तो गार्ड की संगी ने छातियों में उतार दिए हिंदुस्तानी गोलियों का लोहा दुश्मनों के बदन में। ना घबराए, ना डरे, बस मारे और मरे। हम स्वाधीन हैं क्योंकि 3 मई 1999 से 26 जुलाई 1999 तक कारगिल की बर्फीली चोटियों पर शहीदों ने इतना खून बहाया कि भारत माँ का आंचल आज भी लाल है। उन कई जवानों में विक्रम बत्रा का भी नाम शामिल है। परम वीर कप्तान विक्रम बत्रा चोटी चक्र क्रमांक 5140 लेह मार्ग से ठीक ऊपर की चोटी, जहाँ से बैठकर दुश्मन हमारी गतिविधि पर नजर रख रहा था। 5140 को आज़ाद करने का जिम्मा मिला था कप्तान विक्रम बत्रा को। जानलेवा पहाड़ियों पे खिसकते पड़ते विक्रम और उसके जाबाज साथी दुश्मन के करीब पहुँचे गए और जयघोष करते हुए सामने से दुश्मन पर हमला बोल दिया। दुश्मन का खेमा तहस नहस हो गया और सारे के सारे दुश्मन का खात्मा कर देने के बाद रात के 3:30 बजे कंट्रोल रूम में रेडियो पर 4 शब्द गूंजे, ये दिल मांगे हुए। चोटी क्रमांक 4875 बेहद सक्रिय और मुश्किल चोटी, जहां दुश्मन बड़े आराम से ढाल लगाकर हम पे हमला कर रहा था। विक्रम ने खुद हाथ आगे करके वहां की कमान मांगी। उन्होंने एक सेक्टर जीता था, चाहते तो रुक भी सकते थे, लेकिन उन्होंने दूसरी जंग के लिए भी दस्तक मान ली और कमर कस के चढ़ गए चोटी 4875 पे। दुश्मन का लोहा विक्रम के बदन में धसता रहा। वह गोलियों से छल्ली होते रहे, लेकिन रुके नहीं। भारत माता का जयघोष करते किए ग्रेनेड फोड़ दिया। सारे दुश्मन मारे गए। तिरंगा बड़े शान से 4875 पे भी लहराया, लेकिन इस बार यह दिल मांगे मोर फैलाने वाला भारत माँ की गोद में सो गया था। दिल में तूफानों की टोली और नसों में इनकलाब, होश दुश्मन के उड़ा देंगे हम, रोके ना आज। दूर रह पाए जो हमसे, दम कहाँ मंजिल में है, सरफरोशी की तमन्ना अब हमारे दिल में है। यह जिस्म भी क्या जिस्म है, इसमें न हो खून जुनून। क्या लड़े तूफानों से जा, कश्ती ए साहिल में है। सरफरोशी की तमन्ना अब हमारे दिल में है। देखना है जोर कितना बाजोए कातिल में है। सरफरोशी की तमन्ना अब हमारे दिल में है। देखना है जोर कितना बाजोए कातिल में है।
Good morning, everyone. It is my honor and privilege to stand before you today to speak about an historic event, the Kargil Vijay Divas, which we celebrate every year on 26th of July. I acknowledge the presence of Pranav Lohra sir, Shubham Dagide sir, and Swapnil Desai sir, the team members of Future Combat Force. It is indeed a matter of pride to be associated with them. They are training and imparting pre-military, paramilitary training to children of various schools since 2010, all over Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka. Training students and motivating youth to join Indian Army, Air Force, Civil Aviation, Indian Navy, and various paramilitary force. Welcome, sir. Vijay Divas is celebrated to commemorate the victory of war between India and Pakistan, which was fought from 3rd May to July 26, 1999. This year marks the 25th anniversary, the Rajat Jayanti of Kargil Vijay Divas. We should be proud of our soldiers who sacrificed their lives for the sake of our nation. I pay my tribute and respect to the brave sons of our Bharat Mata who fought in Kargil war and brought victory to our country. We together honor the courage and sacrifice of our soldiers who fought relentlessly to defend our borders in the harsh terrain at high altitudes. We remember their unwavering spirit in face of extreme challenges. Kargil Vijay Divas is not just a celebration of victory, it is a solemn occasion to remember the fallen heroes who laid down their lives for our nation. Their sacrifices ensures the peace and freedom that we enjoy today. So let us strive to uphold their legacy and work towards building a strong and secure nation. May their bravery and valor continue to inspire us from all walks of life. Jai Hind. Thank you.
A very good morning to all of you all here. Kargil Vijay Divas is a day to remember the gallant efforts and sacrifice of the Indian Armed Forces. We have seen today how we have celebrated. Actually, this celebration is to pay our gratitude to the leaders, the warriors who have fought for the country. First, I would like to thank our management to start the Future Combat Force in our school. You know, when I heard about this, that we are going to start, I was very excited because I like this type of movements. So I would like to thank our directors, Sir Ajay Sir and Ma'am Bharti, to start this new activity in our school. Last few weeks, I was watching the children training, how our trainers were training them, and our little Gurukulians with all energy and excitement, they were doing somewhere, you know, like literally exhausted also while doing, but they were really trying their heart. I would like to thank the trainers of Future Combat Force for training our students today. When I saw the march past, which was actually, you know, when you hear that music, that makes every Indian to say, express with no words. I really literally get goosebumps when I hear this music. I don't know why, but I always. But today when I heard and I saw that last march past, it was really, I cannot express in words how it was. Because this is actual, the life, what the armed forces people are going through. Always it happens on the war front when any such things happen, how the soul or the body of the dead person is brought and how the family is actually going through. So this is a thing which you all saw in reality, and this is happening actually when any such things happen. So every time we see on the TV, but today you all saw this live. So I thank you, sir, very much for performing this in our school. And we are very fortunate to have this today because we are completing 25 years. This is really a great thing. After 25 years, we are having this celebration in our school by the Future Combat Force. So, once again, I would like to thank everyone for attending and listening to this program. Thank you very much.